Hi everybody, it's Julie, and today we have our day 12, and it is yarn, ribbon, and yarn, fabric, flower, ribbon, and lace. So I have, to start, I have this, I have some of this, I have some ribbon, some green. I'm just grabbing what's hanging around here that I can use to make a beautiful fluffy tassel. So, okay. So I think the shortest piece I have is this one. Okay. And then I have this. This came from the ephemera pack from the Patreon pack. Okay, so I'll have that. So we'll have some ribbon. And we have this gold trim. Okay, so our base is the ribbons. I think I'm going to do one of those to start off with. Then we're going to add some fabric. I gave you lots of choices on this one. Okay, we'll go right down the middle and hope for the best. Oh, good. That's going to give us some fluff. And some length. I'll save those for, okay. We're going to add a little bit of this. Okay, so we're making a tassel out of ours. Okay, so the thing about this challenge this time is you get to pick what you're making. So I hope you're enjoying that part, being able to pick what you're making. So mine is actually going to be, for me, my the journal that I'm making is going to be my thankful, grateful 30 days of grateful journal. Okay, I can go ahead. I'll just put both of those in there. Okay, and then you know what, I looked over here and we've got this piece from the towel. Okay, so, and then we've got this piece. Okay, I have that, and I think I might use that. Okay, I have, this is from a Squirt bottle. Squirt, the drink, Squirt. That's what I drink. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this through. Now I do also have, oh, I like it. I mean, I like it. I like it because I think it's going to work really well with the journal I'm making. Okay, but I think the lace is too much together. So I'm pulling it around. Turn this fabric. Okay. So we got 2 of these in our embellishment kit, the Patreon embellishment kit, and I think it'd be fun to use both of them. Okay, they kept falling out of the thing, so I have them kind of stuck together. I've wired them together. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and wire them on here. Okay, so I'll come around and twist it. Well, maybe. And then we'll go ahead and go back around with each of the pieces of wire. Let's see, so I have made the one, and this will make the day. So 6 of the embellishments will be made. Okay, I think that will be really cool. So we have added the ring and the flowers, okay, because the other parts are, they would all be considered base. Okay, I want to take a look. Okay, yeah, I like it. I think that is going to be awesome. Okay, so we do need to add the Dear Julie Digital. So I am looking for something. Oh, I like this. I like that. What can I put? I don't see any. I have a red. Okay, what about this? What if we make a charm out of that? Bulb pin. There might be bulb pins in that embellishment kit, but I'm just going to grab one from here. Okay. And this came, I think this came from Crafty Girl. Okay. There. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I think we'll do that. And then I'm going to add my Dear Julie Digital on here. Okay, I gotta find one of the smaller pages. Where are my pages? There's the tags. So the digital that I'm using is the digitals that the Patreons received in September, and then they just received another sunflower kit because I had more and it was fun. And they just received that. So this is the mini page. So there we go. I think we can use that one right there. There's lots of things you can use these mini pages for. You can just go ahead and cut thing out and the whole area out and make a card. Make stamps, tabs, little notebooks. And then, of course, you can make little charms. Okay, I don't like that. So I have a second idea. I have to find a small tag. There we go. There we go. We're going to put that on there. One of the things I do like to do, though, is to use a bottle cap and make a charm. Out of the digital. And glossy accents. Which I'm looking and I don't even see my glossy accents. Just going to put it around one of the wires. So it's hanging off the wire. Okay, so we've got our Dear Julie digital. We have our bulb pin and our other goodie. Now, because I don't want this to fall off like that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around. And then I can go ahead and pull it up, push it up in there. Okay, so like that. And I have a tassel, and I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. There's another black one. So there's lots of things. I mean, with your yarn, fabric, and all that, you could make a banner paper clip. Somebody was going to maybe make a woven something. They wanted to make something, and the only way that could figure out how to do it was to do it woven. But there we have our beautiful tassel, and I think it's going to be a great addition to my journal. I like to have something on the edge of my journals that tells you, you know, when it's hanging off the edge, I can kind of get an idea of what it entails, what it's holding. So yeah, I was thinking I would be able to use this. It's someday, because I was thinking that we could maybe take this off and put like a big brown button on there, but we'll see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so there you go. We have our tassel, and I will add that to my embellishment pack. And I think that is really a lot of fun. What do you guys think of this basic journal? I think it's really, really cool. Find something to celebrate every day. You guys, thank you so much for being here. Remember, the freebie for Friday is bees, and it's already in the Patreon. So go and grab that and print it out. We will be live on Friday at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time here, and it'll be fun. It'll be a chance for us to catch up. And also, if you are a Dear Julie Patreon, we will be Zoom on Thursday at 1 o'clock. So the Zoom information is in the Patreon. That is for everybody that is $5 and above. And if there is a reason that you haven't been able to come to the Zoom, if there's a better time, let me know so that maybe we can add in a Zoom here and there so that we can get more of you to be able to come. It's a lot of fun. It's really cool because it's not just me talking. And we don't record it. And so, yeah, you have to be there. Okay? Find something to celebrate every day. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.